Want to make your following list private so not just anyone can see who you follow on Instagram? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to private your Instagram following list. Now let's get started. To make your following list private on Instagram, you'll need to make your account private. To do this, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Account Privacy. Then tap the switch labeled Private Account. To confirm, tap Switch to Private. Once your account is private, only people who follow you will be able to see who you follow on Instagram, as well as your posts and stories. If anyone else wants to follow you, they'll need to request your permission and be approved by you to be able to see your profile, posts, and following list. You can then review your current list of followers and remove any people who you don't want to be able to follow you. If you only want to stop specific people from being able to see who you follow, you could consider blocking those specific people instead. Check out this tutorial on how to block someone on Instagram to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.